Hi friends, very happy to see you on my channel. Today we are drawing this cute body. Special shout out to all of you who requested to draw a cute car. Let's dive right in. And we're gonna begin our drawing with one long, slightly curved line right in the middle of our paper. Next we're gonna draw a similar line, but it will curve down and it will be a little bit shorter on the left side. And we can connect both lines on the right side. Now on the left side we're gonna go back to the very beginning and we will draw one slightly curved line going down, a short one, and we will finish this shape with another curved line. And we got the front of our car. We're gonna add details a little bit later. Let's deal with the main shape of the car. The next step is to draw front wheels. Here we're gonna extend this last line that we got just a tiny bit. From here we are going to add an oval. It will go strictly vertical and the part of it will match this curve that we got before. Yes, it looks great. Now starting from the very end of this oval, we are going to draw one horizontal line. And it will go back up, matching our oval. Now we need to draw the second front tire. Let's start on the same level here. And draw a curved line. And it should be the same length as the first tire. Then go under. And draw the part of the oval here. Like this. Now we can start drawing the third tire. We imagine that we go on drawing this line. So we're gonna draw a tiny part of it here. And from this spot we are going to repeat all these steps, but this time it will be smaller, as that tire is further from us. So we're gonna draw this curve first, then attach an oval to it, if your lines are a little bit wiggly like mine, it's totally fine, don't worry about that, the result will be awesome anyways. And the horizontal line going right under. And the next step is to draw the side of the car. Let's start around here on the tire. We're gonna draw a curve going up and down and connect to our very first spot. Great! Now as we have this lower part of the car, let's add the top part and we will start with the windshield. Let's say if you divide this curve into 3 parts in our mind, then we will find the spot where our windshield starts. And from this spot we will draw a line going up. Another side of the windshield will start somewhere here above the tire and it will go up as well. And we're gonna connect both lines on the top. Again, we will leave the details for later. Now we're gonna draw the side window. We're gonna come back to the first spot and we're gonna draw another line going up. It will be again the same length as the windshield. And notice how those two lines coming closer to each other on the top. The next matching line will start approximately here and it will go up again. It will go a little bit higher than this line, just a tiny bit, and we can connect them with the curved line. Then we're gonna cover both windows with the matching shape. Start from here, going parallel, stop a little bit higher, same from the right side, and finally we're gonna connect them on the top with another curved line. Now, as the main shape is ready, we're gonna deal with all the details. And we're gonna start with the front of the car. We will need a line going like this. And we will add another lines that go close to the corner of the windshield. And from here too. Now the headlights are the ovals near those two corners. And now we can draw his face, so the mouth will be here and the eyes on the windshield. Let's draw two big oval eyes. Just like that. Then add round highlights inside. Fill the space around highlights in. Then add eyebrows. I will just draw tiny ovals here. And now we can draw the mouth. We're gonna start under the middle of this oval and draw a curve which go slightly down first, then curve up, and it will finish somewhere here under another oval. Yes, like that. And another line going down. We're gonna start a little bit further than the beginning of the upper line. And we're gonna add a U shape. Like that. Let's close this line from the top. Add a tongue. And teeth. I will draw a little space between the teeth in the front, and it will give our car a little bit of a character. Oops, I actually forgot to draw the fourth tire. Let's fix that mistake. Actually, we're gonna see just a tiny bit of the tire here, but let's add it anyways. Let's also add side mirrors. Starting from this corner, we're gonna draw one loop. and the curve like that. And we're gonna see a part of the mirror here. And I think it will be fun to draw a spoiler. Let's draw a hook on the side. A matching one inside. And add one small line here. Not so many things left to draw. Let's finish the door on the side. Right from the corner of the window, we're gonna draw one curve matching this line. Then somewhere in the middle of this door, we're gonna draw one small line parallel to this one and add a curve on the top. Then let's connect these corners of the car with the ovals. From this side as well. Add some stripes inside the ovals here. Maybe highlights on the mirrors. And the last step is to add all details to tires. Firstly, let's add matching ovals inside. And add even smaller ovals here, but closer to the right side. Okay, now to make the disc look cooler, we are going to add triangles all around this small oval, and those triangles will point to the middle of the oval. Like this, and the same here. Let's color them all in black, including the ovals in the middle. Okay, we can add some highlights here as well. And maybe let's make this window slightly open. And we are finally done with our first step, the line work. As this drawing has quite many details, it's totally fine if it takes more than one time to finish it. Now the next step is going to be coloring. Don't forget about highlights, as it will make your drawing to pop up even more. And the third and my favorite part of the video is to get creative with our final drawing. Make sure you don't miss it. See you in just a moment. Alright, guys, and this is the result of our great efforts. And again, it might take several attempts to finish this drawing, but it's totally fine. Just try. Do not give up. But when you learn how to draw this guy, it will be super easy for you to draw a police car or a taxi. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really enjoyed making this video. See you soon, my friends. Bye.